I'm Anil Kumar, and in this particular video we will use double angle formula twice and find an expression for cos 4 theta. The question before us is derive expression for cos 4 theta, right? So as you know, cos 2 theta can be written as 2 cos square theta minus 1. So we can use this formula twice to get an expression for cos 4 theta. Now this video is very important for trigonometric identities and equations also, since in many examples cos 4 theta can be involved. So let's begin by writing cos 4 theta as equals to. So when we use it once, we could take 2 theta as 1. So we could write this as 2 cos square 2 theta minus 1. You get the idea, right? So we did half of 4 theta. So we got 2 theta, right? Now we have 2 cos square 2 theta minus 1. So we can write 2 here, right? And cos square 2 theta means we have to put something in square. So we get cos 2 theta here. Well, let me add this step. So we have cos 2 theta and minus 1. Okay. Now what we will do is we will again use this cos 2 theta formula. So which is 2 cos square theta minus 1 whole square minus 1. I hope that makes it absolutely clear, right? So we rewrote this cos square 2 theta so that you understand what we're trying to do. Okay. Now at this stage we can expand this term, square it. That means a square minus 2ab plus b square. So square of all this will be 4 cos 4 theta, right? 2 times all this, 4 cos square theta plus 1 square, which is 1 minus 1, correct? Now let us open this bracket. So when you open the bracket, you get 8 cos to the power of 4 theta minus 8 cos square theta, and then 2 times 1 is plus 2 minus 1. And now we can simplify it a bit. So we get 8 cos to the power of 4 theta minus 8 cos square theta plus 1. So that is an expression for cos 4 theta, right? And this is an excellent example. It will always help you to solve complicated trigonometric identities and equations. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.